So when are you going to do it? When are you going to look for an alternative income other than working the job you're currently working? Now you can see how fragile the world economy is. Now you can see that you're being forced to work from home. Now you can see that any career is a vulnerable career if you're working for somebody else. When are you going to do it? I believe now is a golden opportunity. Now that you potentially having to work from home, now you have many additional free hours that you used to spend commuting to and from work, to explore other alternative sources of income that can be made online. Income that won't put you at risk of traveling to and from work. Incomes that will secure you from being made redundant or your company going out of business. This time last year, I lost my job. I thought I had a secure job. It went in a nanosecond. And I was in a very bad place. Over 50, didn't have any IT skills, didn't think I had anything to offer, had no idea what I was going to do. And then I stumbled across some online training that taught me step by step how to build an online business from scratch, and introduced me to a community of people that were doing exactly the same and that could help me overcome these mental obstacles that I had, that I put in my own way to prevent me from succeeding. So I took those steps. I had nothing to lose. Maybe you have nothing to lose now. And I kept taking those steps, and less than a year later, I've now replaced my six-figure income. I've also replaced the income of my wife, who now works with me. And I'm truly blessed. And I'd like to, at this moment in time, share this with you, because I think this is a pivotal moment where thousands of people at risk of losing their jobs and careers through no fault of their own. I think this is a golden opportunity for them to explore alternative ways to earn an income and provide them with more financial freedom and time freedom working from home or working from anywhere in the world like I do, subject to the plane still flying. So if I prick your interest, then click somewhere around on this video. It'll take you to my webpage. Provide me with your contact details and I'll send you some free videos. And who knows, it may just be the best YouTube video you've ever seen. See you soon.